bean soup, and but it's out of dry beans, so you need dry beans, not the canned, and 15 bean is what I'm using, but you can use some different kinds. And the first step you need to do in any dish, before you start cooking is you need to wash your hands. So, and now you pour your beans in. I'm using 2 packs. So, and then you take hot water and you pour it until it's above the beans. I'm gonna take that out. And you fill it until it's above all the beans. And then, pour a little water out. You let it sit overnight. And tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. So, when you wake up tomorrow, just come back and watch the end of this video, and your beans will be ready to start cooking. So, bye! Good morning, everybody. I'm back, and we're on the Young Chef, and we are going to finish the strained beans, the bean soup. And first thing first is you need to wash your hands before you get to work. So, now I'll tell you what we did. So when I woke up, we put them in a strainer and we got all the water out, and then we rinsed them and we put them in the crock pot, and now they're heating up, and I'll show you what to do next. So coming back here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put some coconut oil in. So I've put a few chunks of coconut oil in, and that's going to be melting. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some vegetable stock in. So if I can just get this open. Thank you. And we're going to pour the vegetable stock in. All the vegetable stock. And now we're going to pour the tomatoes in. So I have a big can of diced tomatoes. We're going to pour the whole thing in, and we're going to need this can later, so don't recycle or throw it away or anything. And we're going to dice the tomatoes. Onions. We're going to dice the onions, and so as you can see, we got it all diced up, so there aren't any big chunks. Like, see, it's all done. And now we're going to dump it in. You might need a spoon. And we're going to get all the onions in.
Whenever you're ready.
Ready. Okay. It started?
Yep, it's recording. I can I can cut all I want.
Cut.
It's recording. No, I'm saying I can edit the video however I want.
Okay.
So you just keep going. I'll start it and stop it whenever I want.
Stop it right now.
No, I'll just edit this part out.